Namaste children, welcome to the radio. In today's video we will learn page numbers 88 to 97 of chapter 1 from unit 3 of your English textbook Mridang. Let us read. A visit to the market. Minnie's father is a farmer. He grows vegetables in his farm. He sells them in the market. Every Saturday Minnie goes with him to the market. Her father sells his vegetables. He takes her around the market. So children, look at the picture. What can you see there? Yes, we can see a farmer, a girl and many vegetables. Now let us read. Minnie's father is a farmer. So here the word Minnie is a proper noun. It is a special name. So it starts with a capital letter. Father and farmer, these are common nouns. They are general names. He grows vegetables in his farm. Grows means it is an action. It's a verb. And other action words here are sells, goes and takes. Vegetables is a plural form. That means more than one vegetable. If there is only one, we say vegetable. He sells them in the market. Sells is another action word. Them is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word we use instead of a noun. So instead of saying vegetables again, we say them. Every Saturday, Minnie goes with him to the market. Saturday, it is a day of the week. It is also a proper noun. So it begins with a capital letter here. Goes is an action word. Him is a pronoun. It replaces father. Her father sells his vegetables. Her and his are the possessive words. They show it belongs to somebody. Her father means the father belongs to Minnie. His vegetables means the vegetables belongs to the father. He takes her around the market. Takes means it's again another action word. So it is a verb. Around is a position word. It tells us where they go. So who is Minnie's father? Yes, he is a farmer. What does he grow? Yes, he grows vegetables. When does Minnie go to the market? Yes, she goes every Saturday with her father to the market. Very good. There are many people in the market. So people is a plural noun. It means more than one person. Market is a common noun. There are, it tells us about many things. They are buying vegetables and fruits. So buying is an action word. It is a verb. The words are buying. It tells us the action is happening now. So this is called present continuous tense. Vegetables and fruits are plural nouns. They are buying flowers and toys too. So what else they are buying? They are buying flowers and toys. These are naming words. The word too means also. They are also buying flowers and toys. Look father. There are many colorful flowers. So here the word father starts with capital because it is used as a name here. Colorful, it is a describing word. It tells us more about the flowers. Describing words are called, yes, adjectives. Then father says, yes, there are. Let me tell you the names of the flowers. Names is a plural noun. Let me tell you. It shows it's a speaking action. These are roses. These are marigolds. Those are jasmine. So these and those. These are used to point towards something. These used for things near to us and those is used for things that are away from us. Roses and marigolds, these are plural nouns. Then jasmine, it is a naming word for a flower. It is singular. Minnie says, yes, sometimes mother makes a string of jasmine flowers. Mother, here mother begins with a capital letter because it is used as a name here. Makes, it's a action word. String of jasmine flowers. It means A lot of jasmine flowers on a string. Look at the fruits here. Fruits is a plural noun. Here is a position word. It tells us the place. I can see apples, but what are those large fruits behind the apples? Apples is a plural one. Apple is singular. Large, it describes the fruit. So it's a describing word or adjective. Behind means it's a position word. It tells us where the fruits are. The word but is a joining word. It joins two ideas. The action words, the pronouns and adjectives we learned in the page are given here. You can go through this and learn. Next part. Father, those are pineapples. Many. What are these fruits kept on the right of the apples? So those are pineapples. Those is a pointing word. We use those for things that are far from us. Pineapple is a plural noun. One pineapple, many pineapples. Many ask, what are these fruits kept on the right of the apples? So these is used for things near us. Fruits and apples are plural nouns. Right of is a position word. It tells us place. Father says, they are oranges. So they is a pronoun here. It replaces the word fruits. Orange is a plural noun. Then Minnie asks, what is the name of the big green fruit kept on the left of the apples? Big and green. These are the describing words. What are describing words? Adjectives. They are called adjectives. Fruit is a singular here. Only one fruit. Left of is the position word, position phrase. Then what the father says? Oh, that is a watermelon. That is, he is pointing towards something, pointing a fruit that is far away. So watermelon is a singular noun. Now Minnie returns home with her father. Returns is an action word. It's a verb. With is a joining word or position with word. Her shows belonging. It is a possessive word. She holds a small basket of flowers in her hand. Hold is a verb. Small is a describing word. Basket is singular. Flowers, it's plural. In is a position word. Her father has a bag of fruits. Has is a verb. Bag, it's singular. Fruits, there are so many. So it's plural. Of, it shows belonging. And what are the side words given here? His, he, them, her, around, there, those, behind, with, these. So we must learn all these words to read quickly. The pronouns, adjectives and verbs and the sight words we learned are given here for quick reference. Let us speak. Is there a market near your house? Yes, there is a market near my house. Do you go to the market? Yes, I do go to the market. With whom do you go? Yes, you go with your dad or mom. So you can write, I go to the market with my parents. What do you like best about the market? So you can write, I like the toy shop, sweet shop, fresh fruits, looking at many things and buying vegetables and fruits with my parents. Now let us read this aloud. So here we can see the pictures of some fruits and vegetable. Let us read. First one is tomatoes. Second one, potatoes. Third, oranges. So here, onions. Then brinjal. Then pineapples. This one is jackfruit. Then this white one is cauliflowers. These yellow fruits are, what is it called? Yes, mangoes. Then next one is a radish. Then guava. Then carrots. What is this green leafy vegetable? It's cabbage. It's written cabbages. Then last one is peas. Think of words for the picture and read aloud. So children, now you have to look at this picture and think of words and read this aloud. So today which word will come here? Yes, my father took me to which place is this? It's a market. Today my father took me to the market. I saw many, what are these? Yes, fruits and what is here in this picture? Vegetables there. I like which fruit is this? Orange. There are many oranges. I like the oranges. My father bought me an orange. We bought potatoes and onions. We had a good dinner. So all these words, my father, market, fruits, vegetables, oranges, potatoes, onions, all these are nouns. Here the word father, market, vegetables, fruits, all these are common nouns, and the words oranges, potatoes and onions are proper nouns. Let us draw. Draw and color the fruits and vegetables you like. Discuss with your friends why do you like these fruits and vegetables. So you can draw your favorite fruits and vegetables here and color it. Let us write the words in the space below. Yellow mango, red apple, yellow banana, green guava, purple brinjal, brown potato, orange carrot, white radish. So you can write all these words in the space provided below and complete the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Two have been done for you. Are these onions? Yes, they are. These are onions. Next one. Are these tomatoes? No, they are not. These are brinjals. Are these potatoes? No, they are not. What are these fruits? These are tomatoes. These are not potatoes, these are tomatoes. Are these carrot? Yes, they are. These are carrots. Are these roses? No. Are these flowers roses? No. Then what it is? They are not roses. Then these are marigolds. So next one, are these pumpkins? Are these pumpkins? No, they are not. These are, what are these? These are potatoes. Yes, these are potatoes. Are these mangoes? What is this orange fruit? No, they are not. These are oranges. Are these cauliflower? Yes, they are. They are cauliflowers. Is this a cabbage? Yes, it is. This is a cabbage. Vegetables are good for health. We should eat them every day. So children, from today's video we learned about the names of different fruits and vegetables. We also learned about the terms nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, etc. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon with another lesson. Till then, take care.